In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix or resolve inverted colors on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, select where it says magnifier. Scrolling down underneath appearance where it says invert colors, click inside that oval to toggle that off to disable, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.